Hello, my name is Nirbhay and I'm here to teach you Adobe Illustrator for fashion design. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add puckering effect on the seams. In most of the denim, you'll see this kind of puckering effect on the seam after washing is done. So making this is very easy. All you need to do is to make, you should start with your gray area, make some shapes like this, take the pencil tool, make some freehand shapes like this, fill white, another shape like this, just random shapes, and then select everything, fill with white color, and then try to make few of them in black. So first one is white, second one is black, third white, fourth black, alternative black and white. So I have taken, here you have to make sure that if you are starting from white, then you have to end it with black. Just reduce the size little bit in the screen and then reduce the opacity by 20%. Group it together, right click and group it together, drag it into your brush window, click on pattern brush, press OK and then again OK. Your new brush will get created. The last brush is this one. So how to use it on a flat sketch. So suppose if you want to add puckering here in this shoulder, the armhole area, and then uh, you have to make a center line. Like I have drawn this line in between the seam line and the stitch line. So I'm just going to click on this brush which I have recently created, and this that's all. The puckering brush is ready. And one more, I'll try to show you to at one more place. So I'm just going to take the pen tool here. I'll click here, and then I'll make another curve like this and click on this. Yep. So this was very easy. Hope you like my video. Keep on watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also click on the bell button so whenever I upload a new video you will be able to get updated and notify. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Sayonara.